The Apache RR310 has been in the market since 2017 and doesn't really need any introduction. After all, it is the motorcycle that has put TVS on the map for its focus on performance. And in these years, the RR310 has received quite a few updates, and the biggest one being the inclusion of ride modes last year. Now, we have ridden the RR310 a number of times on the track and have loved it each time we rode it. Although there were a few elements that were keeping the motorcycle from being the perfect track tool. And TVS seems to have addressed that concern. So, we are here at the MMRT to test out the 2021 iteration of the Apache RR310. And for this year's update, TVS has kept its focus on performance and aims on taking on the updated RC390 that is due later this month. So what are these changes and how much of a difference do they make to the RR310 on the track? Before we answer those questions, do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on a single update from BikeWale. With its prime focus on performance and the idea of not tampering with what's not broken, TVS have kept the design and bodywork on the Apache RR310 untouched. It still features the aggressive front fascia with LED projectors and the signature shark-inspired tail lamps. What has changed on the outside though is this special livery. The 2021 model is offered in this race-inspired one-make championship color scheme of red, blue and white. The bike also comes with red wheels and customers have the option of choosing a personalized number that features on the windscreen. The quality of plastic as well as the fitment of components are the same too, and we aren't complaining. Just like the previous model, the quality on the 2021 Apache RR310 continues to feel top-notch and premium. Now, the changes that are offered on the motorcycle are not offered as standard. Instead, TVS is offering an online customization program that allows customers to purchase different parts online to alter the RR310 according to their needs. There are two kits on offer. The Dynamic kit will get you fully adjustable suspension at both ends as well as a brass-coated chain with anti-rust properties. Meanwhile, the Race kit comes with the Race Ergo handlebar that is lower than the standard version and offers a sportier riding position. You also have higher set knurled foot pegs. Apart from this, TVS has also raised the exhaust canister to complement the raised foot pegs and has also tweaked the exhaust note on the new RR310. Here is what it sounds like. The updates don't stop here. The 2021 Apache RR310's instrument cluster has also been given an update. It now comes with a dynamic rev limiter that functions on the engine temperature and RPM. Having ridden the Apache RR310 in stock form and then with the race kit back to back gave us a fair idea of what's changed. The handling on the previous RR310 was more than commendable, although this version is a level higher. Although not noticeable as soon as you get on, the ride on the racetrack has surely improved. The adjustable forks make the turn-in even more precise, and with a few tweaks to the rebound and compression, the front dives way lesser than the stock setting under hard braking. And on corners with adjustments to the preload, there was far lesser weave, which is fairly confidence-inspiring. Meanwhile, the race handlebar, which is positioned 5 degrees inward and 8 degrees downward, not only have changed the riding dynamics, it has also improved the wind resistance. Although what I like most is the adjustment to the foot pegs that are now 4.5 degrees higher. While the pegs still scraped on a couple of corners, the Apache is now able to achieve slightly higher lean angles as compared to the standard version. Now, all of these changes are done keeping in mind that the Apache RR310 would also be used in the city and for touring as well. The last time I rode the Apache RR310 on the track, I can recall telling my colleagues how close to perfection the motorcycle is. And in our previous experiences, the motorcycle was likable in the city and while riding long distances. And while we also liked how it behaves on the track, the addition of these performance upgrades have made the Apache RR310 a much more complete and likable motorcycle to ride on. Now, if you choose the dynamic kit, it would cost you Rs 12,000, while the race kit is priced at Rs 5,000. The special livery costs Rs 4,500, while the red alloys would set you back by Rs 1,500. All of these costs are added to the base price of Rs 2.60 lakh. But if you wanted a sportier version of the RR310 and hit the track or twisty roads often, these performance upgrades are the way to go. What's more, even owners of the previous gen RR310s can have most of these parts fitted onto their bike. To conclude, the build-to-order platform as well as the performance kits have added greater value and aspiration to a motorcycle that in our opinion is already priced very well.